All right, how are you guys doing? You ultimate guitar cruisers, you. Great to see you. January 7. Happy New Year, and thanks for tuning in. A couple of things here that we're going to cover. The crowdfunding campaign for the Ultimate Guitar Cruise has started, and there's 3 wins for donors, angel donors like yourself. 1, when have you heard of a crowdfunding campaign that's tax deductible? Your support is fully tax deductible. 2, there's some really cool Ultimate Guitar Cruise perks that go along with your giving. There's tote bags, towels, there's really cool stuff. Coffee mugs that have the Ultimate Guitar Cruise logo in. And the 3rd and most important thing is your support is going to a great cause, because the end result of this entire scenario is to give back and help the next generation of musician by supporting youth-oriented music programs. So there's that. The NAMM show is right around the corner. I'm absolutely overwhelmed. The crowdfunding campaign is going well. I continue to need to stay on top of that. In fact, the crowdfunding campaign is going to help me hire 2, maybe 3 people to get on board, so to speak, to assist with the response from NAMM participants when the tickets go on sale for the cabins on the ship, which isn't too far along, or isn't too far away. People who give to the crowdfunding campaign will be alerted first before tickets go on sale to the public. So you'll be able to get access to cabins before the general public as another thank you. So that's 4 things that you win by your support. So NAMM's right around the corner. I'm putting together pitch decks and proposals for several artists to fill the electric guitar slot. And that's going to be an exciting journey. I can feel it. Because of the nature of being overwhelmed with everything, what it triggers is a sense of insecurity. It's almost too much. A couple times, I'll wake in the morning and be like, man, I should just pull the plug on this whole thing, but I'm not a big fan of starting something and not finishing it. Plus, I've done it before, and it was a success, and it was great fun, and I learned a lot. One of the main things I learned was I need help, and I definitely need help. So that crowdfunding campaign, please go to the link and give what you can. It's tax deductible. You get great perks. It's going to go to something great, like helping future generations with music. And what was the 4th thing? Whatever that 4th thing was. So, getting a production manager in here to assist with artist relations, with dealing with sponsorship. We got a sponsorship pyramid that I'm currently working on. Grand sponsor, platinum. I've never been crazy about those names. I'm trying to turn them into a more guitar/ship themed, maybe like virtuoso deck, and stuff like that. Actually, that's not a bad idea. There's just so much going on with this. So this is, week 3 of the crowdfunding campaign, and it took a lull because it was the holidays, but now we're back. We're hitting the ground running, and I'm certainly looking for all the support I can get with the crowdfunding campaign, which is a big give. The tax deduction, the perks, giving to a great cause, and that 4th thing again, I forgot, what I just kind of brought up spontaneously. Being able to have first to know, first to go. So you get early access to cabin booking before the general public with angel donors that give to that crowdfunding campaign. All those funds are processed through the fiscal sponsor, that's Fractured Atlas, the 501c3 nonprofit. And that's kind of what we're looking at this week. And we are celebrating 500 years of the guitar, from the classical to the newest addition to the family, the electric guitar. And again, very, very excited when I get to announce who that's going to be in the electric guitar slot, because I'm just now putting out proposals to several artists that I think, just by way of who they are as people, this is a curated, very specific artistic scenario. This is where you can get away and practice your classical electric guitar, and the camaraderie levels through the roof. And I guarantee you, your journey from being an angel donor to boarding the ship, and then when we return, will be like nothing else that you've done before. Anyway, this is getting long. That's a behind the scenes of the Ultimate Guitar Cruise. I'm going to try to do these weekly for you, and thanks for watching.